Welcome to the Agency Diagnostic Playbook for Core Web Vitals. This video will guide you in systematically identifying and resolving the 10 most common performance failures that impact client rankings. Core Web Vitals like LCP, INP, CLS, and TTFB are confirmed ranking signals. When dashboards turn red, SEO managers often guess at root causes, and developers build without performance constraints. This playbook offers a systematic process for a permanent fix. The Core Web Vitals Triage Matrix outlines the targets, primary culprits, time to fix, and essential tools for each metric. For example, LCP focuses on hero images, CLS on ad slots, INP on third-party scripts, and TTFB on shared hosting. Diagnostic SOP-01 addresses the unoptimized hero image. The symptom is a large, above-the-fold image that loads last, pushing LCP to 4 to 8 seconds. The root cause is serving heavy JPEG/PNG instead of WebP, missing, quote, preload hints, or no CDN caching. Visualizing the render-blocking hostage situation shows how HTML parsing halts when encountering synchronous CSS or JS files. This creates a quote, hostage gap, or blank white screen, as the browser waits to download and execute these resources. Diagnostic SOP-02 addresses render-blocking resources. The symptom is the browser stalling. The fix involves adding a, quote, defer attribute to non-critical scripts, inlining critical CSS, and using purge CSS to remove unused rules. The anatomy of an ad-driven layout shift illustrates the CLS problem. Failing UI with a high CLS score results from asynchronous ad injection. Optimized UI reserves space with a CSS min height, preventing content from shifting. Diagnostic SOP-03 focuses on layout shifts from ads. The symptom is the page violently jumping when ads load. The blueprint includes setting a CSS min height on every ad container and reserving height for the maximum possible creative size. Diagnostic SOP-04 covers images without dimensions, a major cause of layout shifts. The fix involves running Screaming Frog to find dimensionless images and adding intrinsic pixel dimensions to image tags. The main thread bottleneck impacts INP. The browser cannot respond to user inputs, while the main thread executes massive blocks of JavaScript, leading to significant delays in UI updates. Diagnostic SOP-05 tackles third-party script overload. The symptom is slow interaction response times. Fixes include delaying chat widget initialization, auditing GTM, and adding defer or async to external marketing scripts. Diagnostic SOP-06 is about JavaScript execution bloat. Sites loading 500 kilobytes to 2 megabytes of JavaScript cause severe delays. Solutions include identifying unused bytes and implementing dynamic imports for route-specific framework components. Diagnostic SOP-07 addresses the shared origin bottleneck, resulting in a 1 to 3 second server wait for TTFB. The blueprint suggests setting cache control headers, migrating off shared hosting, and layering a CDN in front of the origin. The agency scaling problem highlights that while knowing the fix is easy, executing it across 50+ client sites is challenging. Diagnosing, refactoring, and verifying core web vitals at scale requires dedicated technical infrastructure and execution partners. Harper Media Group offers white-label technical authority, delivering high-performance technical SEO for digital agencies worldwide. Services include core web vitals remediation, structured data, AI search optimization, and site architecture.